In this video, we're going to walk through sketchnoting. Sketchnoting is really fun and it can be a quick sketch and you don't have to be very artistic to do this. You can be, but you really don't have to be. So basically, it's like stick people and quick icons. So first thing that you're going to do when you're sketchnoting is you're usually going to kind of watch a video or a mini lesson, or you might be doing it to process new information. So again, you might use a video, mini lesson, or processing information. It's really important to learn how to take notes. And one way that you can take notes is through sketchnoting. So when you're taking notes, one way could be sketchnoting. It's important to kind of process your different ideas and think about your notes within those 24 hours and revise them. So what that means is you might underline, highlight, delete something, or add different questions into your sketch note. It's also really important to add different maybe connections or connecting thoughts to help you understand and make those connections in different ways. So you might do that through arrows and lines and stuff like that, which we'll talk about in a little bit. Another thing is it's helpful to summarize and reflect on what you're learning. And so again, you can use sketchnoting to help you summarize and reflect on your learning. And then lastly, you will want to apply your learning. So you're going to want to use those notes later in whatever you're working on. So here are the visual alphabet, which a lot of people suggest that you just need to know how to draw these certain shapes in order to sketchnote. Again, it doesn't have to be very artistic with lots of detail. All you need to know is this kind of virtual alphabet. So all of these different shapes can help you build a bunch of different icons when you are using sketchnotes. So like the loop, the spiral, the arc, the angle, maybe a triangle, maybe an eye, maybe an house or something like a cloud. Okay, so again, these visuals can really help you begin to draw out different ideas that you might have. So another idea with that connectors is using arrows and maybe dividers. So you might use like lines, arrows, or dots, maybe some type of marks to also help you when you are sketchnoting. So what you also want to add is some color. So color can really help bring out your sketch note. So for example, if there's an apple, I might make it red, or I might make it some type of color to help me remember the importance of something. So what you're going to do is you are going to have this piece of paper. You're going to have your sketch note, and it already has your containers for you. What containers are, let me go ahead and go here, are these little rectangles or clouds. These kind of help organize different information. Sometimes with sketchnoting, you might just get a blank piece of paper and you get to draw these different connectors. But since we're starting out, you're going to have these little containers to help you organize your ideas. You're going to watch a video and then you're going to quickly go in here and on a piece of paper with a pencil and or colored pencils, you're going to draw icons that help you understand what is happening in that video. Okay, so maybe it's talking about um, going to bed early. So I could draw a pillow. I could draw something that might help me, like an alarm clock. I might draw my bed. Okay. All three of those are correct answers. There's no wrong answer when it comes to sketchnoting. It's just a quick sketch. Maybe it's talking about breakfast. I could draw bacon. I could draw a bowl of cereal. I could draw big stacks of pancakes, or I could draw like a skillet or something like that. Again, no wrong answers when it comes to sketchnoting. You can also use stick peoples. Okay. So again, what I want you to do is just practice sketchnoting, watch a video, and then gather your ideas to create a sketch note.